Wow, New York is huge!
They're so tall.
Sure.
We have a lot to see today.
The city was full of energy.
Everything is so bright. All the taxis.
Smile, everyone!
This is delicious. They're so funny.
Stay close to me.
Can we go inside?
This'll be fun.
Many people were visiting.
Wow, look at that!
Amazing.
This is incredible!
More people arrived. Great job!
Mom? Dad? Where did they go? I'm lost. Maybe this can help. Think, Tom, think.
He searched for his family.
Dad wears a blue jacket. Excuse me, I'm lost. We can't find our way back to the hotel.
Don't worry.
Where is Tom?
I can't see him.
Tom.
Excuse me, have you seen my son, Tom? He's about this tall, red hoodie.
I hope he's okay.
What should I do?
I want to find them.
Are you okay?
I can't find my family. I got separated.
We'll help you. We have a lost child. Stay with me. Please help us find him.
Benoni.
Can you show me where you were?
Hi, Tin.
Please be safe, Tom.
I'm so glad you're safe.
Tom.
I missed you.
Everyone felt relieved.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Always stay close to us.
Let's stay together.
I'm happy now.
Even on the worst day, family love helped them find each other again.